I'm Lardo.
And I'm Burley. And
we're the Moron brothers. Got a frog in my throat.
I remember as a boy how in one of morning joy I'd watch the train till he'd go by. With the whistle's lonesome sound you'd hear miles around. It's the road across the Greenville trestle high. But the whistles don't sound like they used to. Lately not many trains go by. Hard times across this land mean no work for the railroad man. And the Greenville trestle now don't seem to have big one. On the river bank I'd stand with a cane pole in my hand, watch the freight trains up against the sky. With the black smoke trailing back, it's moved along the track that rode across the Greenville trestle high. But the whistles don't sound like they used to. Lately, not many trains go by. Hard times across this land mean no work for the railroad man. And the Greenville trestle now don't seem to hide. When a lonesome whistles whine, I get rambling on my mind. Thought I wish they still sounded that way. As I turned ahead for home, she'd rumble along into the sunset at the close of day. But the whistles don't sound like they used to. Lately, not many trains go by. Hard times across this land mean no work for the railroad man. And the Greenville trestle now don't seem to hide. No, the Greenville trestle now don't seem to hide.